call your name, I would like to request those graduates to please come forward. This year, we would like also to give this special award to those students who made an outstanding performance during their training. And it starts with, as I call your name, you just proceed to the front. Okay lang mo na, ayaw na lang, parents, kamo na lang. The first award to be given is the Promising Seafarer of the Year. Allow me to read the citation, please. Promising Seafarer of the Year is presented to, in grateful appreciation for his near outstanding performance as a trainee in Seafarer Steward Training Course, major in ship catering services under the TESDA Maritime Sector. Given this 8th day of March 2025, signed by Ms. Jessa Bigodo and Lina Marie Rivera, our board of trustees. Our Promising Seafarer of the Year will hear Mary Ann and Gabisan. Another Promising of the Year is we have here Divina Rose Sigadel.